I would never say that a wife's place must always be in the home, but I would definitely say that a wife's priority should always be her home. The Proverbs 31 woman is a great example of this because she is clearly doing a lot of things outside the four walls of her house, but it's all aimed at her people. Her children rise up and call her blessed. They feel tangibly the results of her work. They rise up and bless her in the city gates, and it's not because we're just so proud of Mom that she followed her dreams all that time, but they've been on the receiving end of this. That notion of a woman investing herself in her work for the benefit of others is the part that is completely opposed to the feminist agenda, because the feminist cause has such a vested interest in saying you have to do it for yourself. Whatever it is you're doing, you have to put yourself first at all times, and to not do that is actually to betray women. So your order of priorities for the feminist is you be true to yourself first, and then after that, whatever's left over, feel free to give that to your kids or your husband.